stress can lead to negative emotions like anger, hatredness, jealousy, etc. And these negative emotions in turn will create lot of stress. So stress and negative emotions are interconnected. Not only that, prolonged stress is the direct or indirect cause for chronic disorders like diabetes, hypertension, thyroid, arthritis, cancer, etc. Thoughts are usually related to past memories, future worries, imagination, or fantasies. More we get associated with these thoughts, there will be more suffering in life. Whereas analyzing, planning, or action-oriented thoughts are good. To lead a relaxed life, we need to learn to live in reality. The more we live in touch with the reality, the more we will be relaxed. The more we are relaxed, the more we can be happy and contented. Now, how to live in touch with the reality is the question. We are connected to the reality through our 5 sensory organs. The 5 sensory organs are ears, eyes, nose, tongue, and skin. 5 senses are hearing, seeing, smelling, tasting, and touch. Whatever we do through our senses, we will be doing it at the present moment. For example, you're watching this video. While watching this video, you're using your eyes and ears. So whatever you're seeing and whatever you're hearing, it is happening at this present moment. You can't see or hear through your eyes and ears in the past or in the future. So, hearing, seeing, touching, smelling, and tasting happens in the present moment. But these sensory organs are working unconsciously without much of our involvement, and we keep getting involved with our own thought process all the times. That is, though our eyes is looking at certain things, still there will be so many thoughts going on in our mind. Not only thoughts are going on, we are getting identified with the thoughts, and whatever we are seeing in front, we are really not attentively seeing it. If we can become conscious of our 5 senses, we can start living in the present moment in touch with the reality. More we live in the present moment, our association with the thoughts starts becoming lesser and lesser. And there will be less stress, less anxiety, less fear, less anger, less irritation, less hatredness. The more we practice to live in the present moment, slowly, all the negative emotions will start disappearing from our life. So, more we are conscious of our 5 senses, more we will get dissociated with the thoughts, and more we will be living in touch with the reality, and more we live in the present moment. To simplify the process, here are 4 simple but very important questions. If you can feel the answer and experience the answer for these 4 questions all the time, definitely you will be able to come to the present moment very easily. The first question is, what is touching my body at this moment? Moment you start feeling what is touching your body at this moment, you will come to the present moment. Now start feeling what your feet is touching, how your clothes are touching your body. Feel the surface on which you're sitting and feel the object which you're touching at this moment. The moment you feel the answer for the question, what is touching my body at this moment, you will automatically come to the present moment. Second most important question is, what is my ears hearing at this moment? Moment you become attentive of what your ears are hearing, you will come to the present moment. Now, just listen to all the sounds around you, near sound and far away sounds. Moment you start listening to all the sounds around you, automatically you will come to the present moment. The moment you come to the present moment, your identification with the thoughts will start getting reduced. The third question is, what is my eye seeing at this moment? Look into the objects that are around you more attentively with lot of consciousness and awareness. The moment you start looking at the objects around you more intensely, attentively, you will come to the present moment. Fourth question is, how is my body breathing at this moment at the belly region? Just become conscious of how your body is breathing in air and breathing out air. The moment you start become conscious of your breath, especially at the belly region, automatically you will come to the present moment. Moment you start feeling the answers for these 4 important questions, you will come to live in reality, that is, you will start living in the present moment. Moment you live in the present moment, there will be less stress and you will be more relaxed, more happy and more contented. Friends, these are the 4 most important questions of life. If you can feel the answers for these 4 questions, sure, you will be able to lead a very relaxed, happy and contented life. So friends, throughout the day, while doing activities like walking, eating, combing, dressing up, taking bath, and during other activities, just keep on asking these 4 questions randomly more than 100 times a day and keep on experiencing and feeling the answers for these 4 questions. The moment you keep on feeling the answers for these 4 questions, that is, what is my body touching at this moment? What is my ears hearing at this moment? What is my eyes seeing at this moment? And how is my body breathing at this moment? If you can feel the answers for these questions, definitely you will come to live in touch with the reality and you will come to live in the present moment. Friends, these 4 important questions can solve your life's problems. If you liked this life transformative video, please do give a like. Do not forget to share it to your friends and loved ones. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this.